5 practical tips for interior design for busy moms. Hi, I'm Julie, architecture and interior designer. As well, I am mom of 2 lovely girls. Luckily, they are now getting older, so there will be more challenging coming to us. But when they were small, there were several situations when I was struggling just to keep the house clean and not being stressed that much. I have for you 5 tips which works well for me. Tip number 1. Choose durable, easy to clean fabrics. Kids are messy no matter what. So the best way, if you have a furniture with a easy to clean fabric, resistant stain, so you can just go and wipe it off. So microfiber will be probably your best friend for several years of your life. You don't need constant stress about your stylish furniture. Use the material which is easy to clean. Tip number 2. Go for furniture with hidden storage. You need a lot of space for toys, books, games for your kids. So go for something what you can keep in your living room and it wouldn't bother you. So let's say ottomans or benches with hidden storage. These are your best friends. You will put their toys, and when the kids are not present, you can easily clean and everyone's happy. Tip number 3. Create kid-friendly zone. I have 2 daughters. They both love messy things like this magic sand or slime. If they have specific place where they can play with it without me going crazy and upset that something is stained by the crazy pink slime, everyone will be much more happier, your kids included. You give them space, obviously cover the space with protective sheet, and they will know this is a place where they can play. You are happy, they are happy. Tip number 4. Have washable rugs and slipcovers. When they are dirty, you just put it in the washing machine and they will be washed. You wouldn't need to worry about anything else. If you have small kids, go for something like that. Tip number 5, minimalism. Less things, less stress. If you have less toys, your kids will be happier because they wouldn't be overwhelmed by choosing like which one to play with. You will be happier because you will have less things to clean. If you have less things in your home, your mind is much calmer. You can actually focus on things which are more important, which is, for example, being with your kids instead of stressing about the mess in your home. Let me know in your comments what's your tips for living with living with kids, and how are you keeping your home stylish. And I will see you next video. Bye bye.